A big anniversary at the Royal Festival Hall in May of next year to mark 25 years in the business.
25 years, yeah. I look back and think, gosh, when it all started in 94, you know, in some ways it feels like it was yesterday, and in other ways, you know, I can feel, because of the how everything's changed, how we receive music, how we consume it.
Yes.
Things have leaped on so much, you know, and you have to move with it, or else you just wither away.
Because no one makes money selling records anymore.
No.
Really. It's all about concerts and you know, merchandise.
That's right, yeah.
I've got two little girls at home, and merchandise is...
Oh, it's everything.
We're in danger of drowning in merch.
Yeah.
Everywhere we turn is merchandise. So it's on May the 23rd.
That's right.
Next year at the Royal Festival Hall.
Yes.
What are you going to do? You're going to do a full retrospective, right back to the...
to the beginning.
Right back to the old school.
Yeah, right back... I see what you did there. Right back to the old school. So the songs which people know me for, songs which are connected with my career, so that will encompass songs from Theatreland as well.
What's your favourite part that you've played?
To date, probably Emmeline.
Really?
Because it's
the only one I haven't seen.
She was so tough. I really wanted you to see that. It's coming back. It'll come back in...
It's a date.
Yeah, absolutely. Because she split opinions so much. She did so much good on the one hand, but it was at the detriment to her own family, two daughters who she banished and never